Okay, so the horn doesn't really fit on here correctly. It needs to be taken off. So, see, if you look at the horn, it's sort of screwed up. See, one of the tabs are broken underneath here because this one has no clearance. This one is turned off to the side. This one is hosed up. So let's take the horn assembly off. Push down and pull off. But what I did is I disconnected the horns so everybody doesn't have to hear it. Okay, let's change it. So here's what's going on with the horn. Well, first take the spring off. Okay, so it has 3 tabs. 1, 2, 3. See, the third one is broken off. And if you can see here, you'll see this is getting ready to break off. It's got 3 screws. And the replacement is right here. So we'll take this off. Three screws. Okay, so it has this little metal on one side with a little rubber. Then it has this plate. The plate lines up. One hole, it's 3 holes line up. And then we get the new part, and you'll see right here it says, I don't know if you can read this, but I'll read it for you. It says horn ring mounting. Okay. And it looks the same thing as what we took off. So let's use the same screws. Just have to get them out of there. If we can. Come on, guys. Okay. Phew. Lucky. Alright, so we got 1, 2, and 3. So we'll just line up that plate. Line up the plate for all 3 holes to line up. Then we'll just set this ring on here. Now remember, don't over tighten these. This is plastic. Plastic doesn't like that kind of stuff. Okay. And now set the spring on and we're ready to go. So let's go put it back on the car. Okay, so these 1, 2, 3 tabs go right in here, 1, 2, 3. So you put it in there and you twist. So 1, 2, 3, and then so you put it in and turn it. Okay, so, and here's the other side. Those black. 1, I can't get it there. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So now let's put it on there. Okay, what I did was just take a little paper towel and wipe all that dust from underneath. Not that you have to, but I did. Okay, so Mustang. This is the way we want it to fit. So the tabs has to go down farther. So put the spring back on and we'll sort of estimate where that goes. Just have to find the right thing. See, there it is. We're good. Push it right in there and then turn it. Okay, there we go. No, still not right. But I think we didn't hit it right. Now we didn't get all 3 of them. We did it correctly. See, we still don't have it right. Okay. What are we doing wrong? Okay, that's how it fits. Now, let's do it with the spring. Okay, look at that. Oh my God. Beautiful. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. So now we can plug in the horns. And away we go. Didn't get all 3 perfectly stuck in and turned.